Hi guys, let's play. Shut up! Shut up, shut up, shut up. Shut it up! Okay, perfect. I will gonna prank my mommy. Oh the glasses. This is maybe another glasses. Maybe in my classmates' glasses. Not this mine. This is my classmates' car. This is my classmates. Oh shit. Tag. We will try. Oh my god. Ah. She will get this here. These two. I will get my phone in here and I will use my phone in the store. That's what my classmate reaction. But I didn't think that my family got really angry.